How to add friends in Blood Strike. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through the process on how you can add friends in Blood Strike game. It is pretty easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open the Blood Strike on your device and wait for it to load to the main lobby screen. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on this arrow appearing at the right hand corner and click on Add Friend in yellow. In the Add Friends tab, go ahead and search for your friend using their player name or ID in the search bar. Once you search for the person, the result will appear in the search result list. Find your friend from the list you want to add and then tap on this little plus icon right next to your friend's name. Tap on that and you'll be able to send a friend request. Now your friend needs to open their friend request, tap on accept, and after that, you'll both appear in each other's friend list. So right there, now you know how to add friends in Blood Strike game. Once the friend appears in your friend list, you can go to your friends list, tap on your friend's name, and invite them to the team. So that's how you easily add friends in Blood Strike. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.